Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera for vlogging available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera for vlogging, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. GUANTU GT6 GPS RC Drone 8K. Place a wide-angle high-definition Wi-Fi lens in the front lens, and a high-definition lens with optical flow positioning at the bottom. The servo gimbal is designed to increase stability, and its electronic image stabilization is added to make photos clearer when taken. Accurate positioning, with GPS precise positioning, can achieve one-click return, no signal return, low power return, long endurance 7.4 volts 1300 mAh lithium battery, with a battery life of about 20 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the image you want to fly on the app. Intelligent tracking, surround flight, palm control, real-time map positioning of the drone, out-of-control map planning route, app mobile control, one-click return, headless mode, ascent and descent, forward and backward, left and right side flight, automatic switching between optical flow, GPS gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra-long battery life, equipped with obstacle avoidance head, can stop in case of obstacles without colliding with them. Brushless motors provide stronger power and longer service life. The product is lightweight with a body weight of 209 grams, which can avoid national air traffic control. Number 2. Branches Z908 Pro Max Drone 8K. Remote control frequency/channel, 5 GHz/6 channels. Product material, plastic/metal/electronic components. Adjust the camera, 150 degrees electric adjustment, can realize upside down shooting. Product color, black. Engine model, 816. Brushless motor. Remote control mode, left throttle. Flight time, about 48 minutes. Phone clip size, 5.5 inch. Remote control battery, AAA battery 3. Body battery, 3.7 volts 1800 mAh. Remote control distance, no interference, 10,000 meters. Charging method, USB. Charging time, about 60 minutes. Image transmission signal, the drone has its own Wi-Fi signal. Image return distance, no interference, 9,500 meters. Drone weight, battery included, 138 grams. Number 3. Xiaomi S2 Max Drone Professional 8K. Professional 8K HD Dual Camera. Vertical bar 8K HD Dual Camera captures stunning visuals with the Xiaomi S2 Max Drone's 8K HD Dual Camera, featuring a wide-angle front lens and a stabilized bottom camera for versatile aerial photography. Navigate safely with the drone's 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, ensuring it can stop without collision in complex environments. Travel light with the drone's foldable design, making it easy to carry in store, perfect for on-the-go adventures. Enjoy extended flights with the drone's 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, offering approximately 40 minutes of flight time. Experience stable, interference-free 5G Wi-Fi image transmission up to 1,500 meters, enabling real-time monitoring and control. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and its electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life, 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, battery life is about 45 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app mobile phone control, one key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight, gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, stop without collision when encountering obstacles. Brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, no fear of crashing. Number 4. Xiaomi MIJIA V88 Drone 8K. Capture stunning visuals with the 8K 4K high-definition camera, ensuring every detail is captured with precision. Enjoy stable footage with the anti-shake dual camera, ideal for smooth aerial shots and professional-grade imagery. Fly with confidence thanks to the intelligent obstacle avoidance system, which prevents collisions and keeps your drone safe. Explore for longer with the 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing up to 45 minutes of flight time. Design your own flight path with the app, ensuring a unique and memorable aerial experience. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and is electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, battery life is about 45 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. Mobile phone control, one key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, stop without collision when encountering obstacles. Brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, no fear of crashing. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control. Number 5. Xiaomi V2 Mini Drone Professional HD camera 5 grams Wi-Fi FPV vertical bar HD camera 5G Wi-Fi FPV capture stunning aerial shots with the Xiaomi V2 Mini Drones Professional HD camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV for real-time, high-definition viewing. Air pressure altitude hold. Enjoy stable flights with air pressure altitude hold, ensuring your Xiaomi V2 Mini Drone maintains a consistent altitude. Foldable quadcopter, compact and portable. The foldable design of the Xiaomi V2 Mini Drone makes it easy to carry and store. Remote control distance. Explore a range of up to 80 meters with the Xiaomi V2 Mini Drone's robust remote control distance. One-click roll and 360-degree pattern roll. Perform dynamic maneuvers with ease using the one-click roll and 360-degree pattern roll features.